How to fix precise seeking problem on YouTube. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix if you are facing problem regarding the precise seeking on your YouTube application. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your YouTube. So what I'm talking about is this is the problem that you might be facing. So I'm just gonna play a video right here. And what you are gonna do now is when you usually want to pull up for precise seeking, you can just pull up on the seek bar and you can precisely move around the video like this. But if you don't see this option, then what you can do is go ahead and open up your profile first. Head over to the settings icon on the top right corner. And from here, you are going to manage the accessibility settings. So just search for accessibility here and turn this toggle on, tap on hide player controls, and from here you are going to select either 3 seconds or 5 seconds. What this will do is when you want to pull up for precise seeking, you can just tap on the video and then what you usually do is if you are on full screen mode, you just tap like this and the seek bar pops up and it will stay here for 5 seconds. So you will have plenty of time to just pull it out and do the precise seeking. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you found it helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.